today I will be playing some Beeswarm. I've never played Beeswarm ever, so this is going to be exciting, I guess. Oh, by the way, yeah, I don't know how I'm good, but I'm pretty sure my brother played on this, so whatever. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I haven't. Okay. But we are gonna go and get some of this. Oh my game's so glitchy. Go bees. Don't. Okay, let's just keep going with this video. I don't know today, so it might not be the best video, you know, but I'm gonna keep going. Let's go. Sorry about my game, guys, just really glitchy. Honey. This video might be short because I actually do not know how to play this game at all. So, alright, making some honey. This video is going to be a short one because, yeah, long ones, they're good, but I need views. Well, I don't need views, just I'm a new YouTuber. And also, by the way, guys, thank you for getting me to, I know this doesn't sound like a lot, but I've hit 11 subscribers, maybe more, I don't know. And a huge thank you to that shorts video, 631 views, thank you a lot. And shout out, I think I'll get her name. Hold on, I'll get her name now. I gotta find quickly. Think I don't. Oh gosh, got joined back. Okay. All right. Shout out to Stephanie Halliwell. Sorry if I'm not saying your name right. It's sorry. 3,951. Shout out to you for commenting. First one to comment on my video. Big shout out to you. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, alright. Alright. Let's keep going. This video might end up like 6 minutes. I don't know. Because it's a really good game. But I'm not sure if I'll be playing it much. So, if I don't upload again on this, sorry. Just no. Go sit here, honey. honey. Alright, so let's keep playing. I'll stop the video soon. But anyways, don't judge me. I'm sorry, I don't know how to play this game. First time playing it, so if I am playing it not as good as you guys, it's not my fault. Is it? No. Okay, I don't care how much money I got, but I just can't be bothered. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. I'll see y'all later. Peace. Time to call you out 'cause you messed up my